Hey guys, welcome to another video. So I still have a little bit of this cold left, but it's going away slowly. Hopefully in the next couple of days, you will see an improvement with my health. I just feel really groggy and my head hurts, but I'm good enough to make a video, and you probably won't get sick from watching this either. So as you can see by the thumbnail, this is another part to my Nars Let's Play series. I don't know off the top of my head which part this is, but I know we have a couple of looks going. So I'm gonna use the palette again, and I'm gonna try to create like a cool smoky look with some red like coming out and then some like white lashes. It's gonna be really cool, very editorial, very artistic. So hopefully what I have in my head turns out to be everything that I want it to be by the end of the video. Let me zoom you guys in. So today I'm wearing my combo Laura Mercier and Bobbi Brown foundation. I am back to the Mars highlighter from Milk Makeup, and I'm using the cream contour, which is not a cream contour, it's a Nars foundation stick, which is the only thing I like to use that stick for is contouring. As per usual, I'm going to start off with my Nars Smudge Proof eyeshadow base. And I'm gonna do something a little different today. So instead of using vinyl, which is the lightest shade as a base, I decided to use Exploit. And the reason why is because vinyl has a golden tone, and I feel like when it mixes with the blue gray, it turns it kind of greenish. And I want the colors to be as close to what they are as possible, so I'm gonna use colors that are like revolving in the same family. So I'm gonna grab a little bit of Exploit and I'm just gonna start laying it down on the eye. And this color is probably gonna disappear. I'm just gonna like create a little base with it. Look at that blend! Come through, pubes! There you go. I'm gonna get a small towel because my forehead is a waterfall right now. I'll be right back. It's always like really hot in LA and I don't get it. It's like almost Christmas season and it's so freaking hot. It's not even fun. It's like I don't want to go to the beach every day, okay? Now I'm going to use a traditional crease brush and we're gonna go into the shade Smash It Up. And I'm just gonna build that crease tone. There you go. Now I'm gonna go, and I'm probably gonna go back to Smash It Up, but I'm gonna lay down the purple first because I want to see what it all looks like. I'm gonna cover my entire lid with the dark purple because I want this to be very smoky, and I'm gonna try to have like a warm moment, with the red shade. I'm praying this comes out good. Praying. Okay, I wet my brush a little bit and I'm going with the shade Not For Sale. And I'm creating this really dark circle moment in the inner corner because I want this entire eye to be like darkness, because I want the more darkness we have, basically the more we can play with the light coming out of it. Perfect. Now I'm just gonna work on small details and draw the shape of the outer portion. I'm gonna go back in with Not For Sale. I'm gonna use Not For Sale again. and just working on under my eyes. And instead of connecting this to the top, I'm gonna go straight out to leave some space. So I'm gonna use my Dior detail brush, and then we're just gonna go in and draw specific lines. Okay, so because I want this to have a lot of brightness to it against this darkness, I'm gonna use the Kat Von D light shade and light brush, and I'm just gonna use a wet concealer to kind of prime those areas. Now I'm gonna use vinyl, and I'm gonna cover the white. Can you see how bright it looks and fun? I'm gonna use the red now to add a little color, and it's gonna be closer to the eyes. Perfect, so now I'm gonna use a little bit of Rue Bonaparte, which is like a nude waterline eyeliner. And then I'm gonna put the white mascara on. I don't have a white mascara, so I'm just gonna use white out and hope it works. If it doesn't, I'm gonna be super pissed. Okay, so now it's time for the truth. And I'm gonna curl my lashes. And I'm gonna apply the smudge proof eye base first to coat the lashes with that, and hopefully they'll help to grab onto the white better. The only thing with the white lashes that I'm kind of scared, to be honest, is that I have to cover the entire fucking lash. So I cannot afford to have a mistake, or else I'll have to go back and like keep applying eyeshadows. Okay, I'm just gonna put a little bit of tight line on the eyes, take a couple of pictures, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what the final look looks like. I got a little carried away and I added a little liquid eyeliner just to make the lashes pop out a little bit. I also pulled out my Hot Tryst palette and I added some highlight and some blush. I actually used almost all the colors in it, so I'm kind of surprised that it worked out. But yeah, this came out really good. Like, it was better than I expected, and I was able to get some really cool pictures with my phone that I'm gonna post on Instagram. I'm also gonna post them here. Usually I just have the video, but I think I'm gonna do the video and the picture so you guys can see like what my vision is. that is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and ring the bell button so you're notified whenever I have a new video. Like and share the video, and I'll see you on the next one.